What's up guys, so this is the review of the wireless Xbox One white controller. The buttons are pretty snappy. I've had this controller for over 2.5 years now. It's held up pretty well, been dropped many times. I would say that it is durable. Also, I want to add that it has been thrown too. Yes, it is durable. The analog sticks still work very well. The clicking, everything still works. The battery pack in the back takes AA batteries, so you have the sync button, the wire that you can plug it in to connect if you don't want to use batteries. It has the menu button and then the story button right here. So yes, this is compatible with the Xbox One, Xbox One S, Xbox One X, and any other Xbox previous generation. I'm not sure if it does connect with the new generation of Xbox, but yes, this controller is great. However, one downside, it does show dirt, as you can see there, just from years of use. Because it is white, it is going to show those blemishes and things like that. But overall, it is a great controller, and it has served me well for the years that I've had it.